Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
So Hayden, all the way from Texas.
Yes.
So where in Texas? Kansas,
Uh, actually, I in the Dallas area.
Dallas.
Dallas, yes.
I have a friend from Dallas.
Oh, great. That's nice. Yeah.
So good to hear that people are coming all the way
Yes.
for functional medicine.
Yes.
So how you came to know about Oxyplus?
So I am actually here to care for my parents for some
Understood.
time, and
Okay.
I've had a history of gut issues for the
Okay.
last year or
Okay.
so, especially after I gave birth to my daughter.
Daughter,
And being
postpartum.
in antibiotics due to some surgery,
That's
that really affected my gut health. So
understood.
I wanted to do some research here locally to
Hmm.
see if I can find someone in Chennai
Okay.
who just doesn't want to treat the symptoms but who can get to the root cause. So I was just like Googling places and
Okay.
Oxyplus came. I was reading the reviews. I heard about Dr. Priya, the research you have done, and your husband, Dr. CB.
Thank you.
And I saw reviews about people talking about leaky gut and how some of the IV sessions and detox has helped them. So I'm like, why not? I'm going to be here for 2-3 weeks. I really wanted to give it a try. So
Thank
that's
you.
how I came to know about Oxyplus. And
It's
it's
a great
been,
decision.
yes,
So you are postpartum mother,
yes,
and with respect to your medical condition, madam, with respect to postpartum, everyone will be affected.
yes,
Even being a postpartum mother, I
yes,
know how the gut health is very important.
yes,
Even planning a pregnancy or a postpartum support,
yes,
it's like gut is the first man.
that's right.
So when it comes to healing postpartum, initially you came to Oxyplus with a skeptical mind. You were asking whether to do a gut microbiome
Yes,
analysis or
yes,
many fancy things.
yes,
I told don't do multiple things. Just
yes,
trust the process.
that's
Go
right.
ahead with a simple test,
Yes,
and we tested for that,
yes,
and we got the answers.
yes, that's
So
right.
with respect to Oxyplus treatments, what is the best thing you felt?
I think the best thing I would say is the education and the confidence in my health that I can experience in the last 1 week. The reason I am saying that is because I'm someone who falls sick pretty often. When my
Understood.
daughter falls sick,
Okay.
I fell sick here the 2 weeks ago when I
Okay.
came, but right now my daughter and my husband are sick. I haven't even had a slight headache.
Immunity is better.
That's actually, an answer that whatever IV and treatment I've taken is actually working in my body. So that's a blessing.
That's a
Yeah,
blessing.
because that's like, okay, it's working.
It's working.
Yes.
So
That's right.
immunity has improved.
Yes. Yeah.
Finally, the answer is that is the main answer, because if you keep your immune system strong,
Yes.
we can do anything. And with respect to gut health, even we have started working on it. Maybe you're leaving in another 2 weeks.
Yes.
We'll be back with another video.
Yes, sure.
So and you can stay connected with me with
Yes.
online consultations.
Yeah.
And finally, after asking all the improvement, Oxyplus in one word.
Oxyplus in one word would be it is so far I wouldn't use this word much, but I think it's the best. You guys are awesome.
Awesome.
Yes.
Thank
yes.
you. Awesome.
Even because you all are so welcoming, hospitable. I feel like home
You
here.
feel like home.
Yes, I really appreciate that. Yes,
Thank you so
yes.
much, Hayden. Your review means a lot, because a lot of NRI clients are moving towards wellness. Because
Yes.
when we started 10 years before,
Yeah.
it's like we have to do and educate the people
Yes.
about wellness.
Yes.
But now people are educating us, and
Yeah.
people are moving towards wellness.
Yes.
So it's like preventive medicine.
Yes.
I'm grateful for such kind of trust.
Oh, sure.
Soon we will meet you with the next baby.
God willing, yeah. Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
I
you.
appreciate that. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.